Good morning, friends. First, the participants and the students who have taken the trouble to come here, and I will start in reverse order. And then I will now say formally welcome to Dr. Ajit Singh, the distinguished guests, the judges who have been here, and our patron chief, Dr. Kamath, his wife, Dr. Mrs. Kamath, and Dr. Sneha Panwalkar, who's taken the trouble to organize all this. Friends, I won't take too much time because I know how excited you would be to be on your posters and give explanations and show yourself off. I would use the word show yourself because then only the judges will know how great a job you've done. Please don't be shy, otherwise you will come in trouble. Just remember that point. I would just like to say two or three things because everything has been mentioned, and I won't like to be in between. As I said, we have an excellent laboratory in Daman, and we extend another helping hand, sir, that all the students, if they want any extra testing to be done, we have a GCMSMS, we got GC Headspaces, we got HPLCs, LCMSMS, you name it. We have 75 employees working in their laboratory. So you can imagine the kind of setup that we've got. If you want any help, we'll be able to extend that to you, possibly free of cost. Next year, sir, and sir, I require your help in that. We want to invite corporates. We want to have corporates, and we will have a separate room, if possible, where the corporates will interact with you with those posters or those research papers where they feel it's worth interacting and learning or imparting knowledge or commercialization, which we hope will start from next year. If that happens, you have another platform for commercialization or getting a job. The objective of Konark is very simple. Let's encourage, and like what Dr. Ajit Singh said very, very correctly, and that's what has been the vision of my father, let us have a connection, a bond, an unbreakable bond, like a Hindu marriage, where the education and the business, commerce gets intermingled like it's happening all across the world. We have the best minds in the world, but the least amount of money. This is the way I would suggest that Konark and other companies like us would come forward and see that all those projects where you have honestly done a good job are recognized, and if possible, even before you're out of your colleges, maybe you have a job or a project in hand to continue forward. I won't take more time. I'll stop at this point in time. Just one mention, and I think we need to give a round of applause to Dr. Kamath, Dr. Mrs. Kamath, and Dr. Sneha for having done an excellent job. I'm very, very sure my father up there will be very, very proud to see the number of papers that have come in, and that's all due to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. That was really inspiring. Next, I request Dr. Sneha Panwalkar to introduce our esteemed judges and also brief you all about the schedule of the entire event.
I know I should not be taking much time, but going through the resume of all the judges, it took me it was a real task to edit the whole thing, and I've tried my best to concise. So sorry if I miss out somewhere. We have with us Dr. Aarti Zuwekar, who is a graduate in chemistry and postgraduate in biochemistry from Pune University, and her PhD in biochemistry is from the University of Mumbai, for which she worked at the Cancer Research Institute in Parel. She went to join the CRI and today is the officer in charge of the anti-cancer drug screening facility at the ACTRIC, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. She has received special training abroad at St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, USA, and Ambo, Osaka, Japan. She has, to her credit, 48 publications till date in national and international journals, and has authored a chapter in a book on cancer therapy. All the anti-cancer screening facility in ACTRIC, along with her team, has screened more than 5,400 compounds till date.
Cool.
I feel she definitely needs a loud applause. I request Principal Ajit Singh to welcome her with a floral bouquet. Next, we have another eminent personality, Dr. Suhas Mandgaonkar. Dr. Mandgaonkar is a graduate in microbiology from Modern College Vashi, MSc in biochemistry from Grant Medical College, Mumbai. He completed his PhD in microbiology from PARC Mumbai and has worked in leading pharmaceutical companies such as Hext Research and Novartis in key areas of drug discovery, GMP and quality management. Currently, he heads corporate microbiology and cell biology departments in Cipla Limited.
Wow.
Our next judge is Dr. Annama Odanand, fondly called as Dr. Ann. She is a graduate in microbiology and MSc in life sciences with specialization in biotechnology from the University of Mumbai. She has completed her PhD in chemistry from University of Mumbai and has worked as a lecturer in Ruia College and UICT Mumbai. Currently, she works as an assistant professor in ICT Mumbai, teaching and doing research in varied fields like proteomics and structural chemical biology, protein engineering, and purification technologies. Her work has led to 3 publications in national and international journals, and some patents have been filed. She has been awarded the Fellowship of International Center for Science and High Technology by the United Nations Development Organization, Italy. Now I move on to Dr. D.V. Kamath, who has been the backbone of organization of this ceremony. Dr. Kamath has the distinction of being a double graduate, a double postgraduate in microbiology and chemistry. He also has a double PhD to his credit in biochemistry and zoology. Along with an illustrious career in teaching, his active and keen interest in research have led him to 25 national and international publications, and he has authored 3 books. He is on the Board of Studies in Microbiology in Mumbai University and was on the Board of Studies in Shivaji University. He is also on the Board of Studies in the SMIT University. He has a great experience in the field of effluent treatment technologies and has completed several projects in this area. Currently, he heads the Department of Microbiology and is a coordinator of Department of Biotechnology in Mitibai College. Sir is also a recognized guide for MSc and PhD both in microbiology and biotechnology. We welcome you, sir. Next, I move on to Dr. Sheila Kamath. Madam is an associate professor, Department of Microbiology, Mitibai College, with a rich teaching experience spanning more than 25 years. She also is a recognized guide for PhD, both in microbiology and biotechnology, and has to her credit many publications in both national and international journals. She is actively involved in research and is extremely inspiring and motivating to all her students. I now move on to Dr. Anita Joshi. She is a PhD in biotechnology from the National Institute of Virology, Pune. She has 20 publications till date in various national and international journals. She currently works as a biotechnology consultant to life science biotech companies working in areas of marketing, product management or R&D, QA, QC with companies like Thermo Fisher Scientific, Merck Millipore, Span Diagnostics and of all, Biocon Limited. She has launched her own website last year. She also has worked with Serum Institute of India and other companies. She is also an ISO auditor. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. In conclusion, I request Mrs. Indumati Pushparaj, a faculty member of Department of Biotechnology, to propose a vote of thanks.
Just a moment, I forgot to mention the schedule for the day. After the program is over, I request all the participants to move up to the second floor where you have already put up your posters. We have a small ribbon cutting ceremony, then we move into the college hall. The posters will be judged from now till the end of the session, which cannot be predicted. But the valedictory function has been scheduled at 3:30 p.m. in room number 108 on the first floor. We also request all of you to join us for lunch. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. On behalf of the Department of Biotechnology, GN Khalsa College, I take this opportunity to thank all the dignitaries present here. First of all, I would like to thank our beloved Principal Ji for supporting and encouraging us with this event. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to Mr. Rakesh Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director of Kunal Group of Industries, for giving our department an opportunity to conduct the third Sanjit Gupta Memorial Award Research Meet in Bioresearch. I would also like to thank our dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Mr. and Mrs. Kamal, Dr. Anita Joshi, Dr. Anamma Odanand, Dr. Suhas Mangaonkar and Dr. Aarti Zuvekar for accepting our invitation and taking out their valuable time to be here as judge. Special thanks to Mr. Stephen for his unending support and constant presence, without whom I think the organization would not have been successful.
Thank you.
I thank the participants and the teachers and their guides for encouraging the students to come forward and participate in the event. Last but not the least, the teaching and the non-teaching staff of our own department and our student volunteers who have helped us till the last moment to make this event organized successful. Hope to have a wonderful event and all the best to all the participants. Thank you.